Hey, and welcome to MightMind.me, and in this freeCodeCamp lesson, we're gonna learn about regular expressions, match ending string patterns. So in the last challenge, you learned to use the caret character to search for patterns at the beginning of strings. There is also a way to search for patterns at the end of strings. So we're gonna do this by adding the $sign character at the end of the string. So here is the code example. This is the first string. This is a never-ending story, and then we just, if you want to find story at the end of this, we just gonna have to add story and then $sign at the end. So when you test these regex, you will get true. If instead we're gonna put story in a different place than the end, and then we're gonna test this string, we're not gonna find story at the end of it. Well, made sense. So now for the exercise, we have to use the anchor character $sign to match the string caboose at the end of the string caboose. So here is the string caboose, the last car on the train is the caboose, and we have to change this line to match caboose at the last position. So it's very simple. Add caboose and then $sign, and then run the test, and tubular. See you in the next challenge.